To put the thermostat in the away mode, it's very simple. First, let's allow the proximity sensor to notice we're here. And setting the away mode is as simple as touching the icon in the lower left-hand corner that looks like a leaf, and it'll put it in away mode to save energy. Now, there is one other thing that we want to take a look at to make sure we set before setting the away mode. So let's cancel away. And now, let's go into our icon in the upper right-hand corner, look at the Settings tab, and then you'll notice that we have an icon for away. And what this does is allows us to take the slider bars and set our set points that we want the house to be controlled to when we leave the home. Here we could also enable Smart Away, which allows us to pair all of our smartphones in the home with the iComfort S30. And it allows it to use the geofencing in our phone to determine when we're home, when we left, and when we're on our way back, so it can begin returning the temperatures to their normal settings.